Hi guys, welcome back. I believe this is another scent haul. Yes, it is. It's the Brioche Vanille. So, they had this one on, where was it? Marshall's. It was actually more than it was on Amazon. I'm glad I didn't get it. They canceled my order. But this is the Brioche Vanille by Lattafa Pride. I heard there's a lot of mixed reviews that this is very yeasty. But listen, when it comes to these ones, you have to let them sit for a while to get their true scent. Let me see if it's yeasty. Right, there's mixed reviews with all like gourmands. I feel like you're gonna get the. Ooh, it's a nice wooden box too. I love their packaging. Their packaging is just, oh no, another one of these. So I buy more. Lovely. Wait a minute. Oh, the lid came off. Hold on. I gotta show you the full presentation. They also have one that looks like an astronaut. Okay, so it comes like this. It's not wood. It's like a, I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Then it opens up. The presentation's always exciting too. But there's that. I feel like a lot of the Middle Eastern ones are very gaudy, but it's okay. Please don't be yeasty. I would not call that yeasty at all. That's definitely a unisex fragrance for sure. I don't smell, maybe it's had a lot of time to sit. Who knows? It's very light. Let me give you guys the scent notes, first of all. It is very light at first. I don't smell brioche. Maybe I do now on the dry down, but it's not a heavy, I thought for sure it'd be beast mode. But people were saying right out of the box, this was like disgusting, smelled like yeast. Not to me. This one must have macerated a lot or something because it's not gross at all. I don't get that. It is, and very rarely is Amazon the cheapest place to get it. It was $21. Scent notes being top notes: bergamot, freesia, brioche accord. Middle notes: heliotrope, fir, balsam. Base notes: benzoin, vanilla, and praline. So I would definitely say this is more of a late summer, early fall. But I don't find it that heavy to where you couldn't wear it in the summer. That is not... Let me spray it on my skin. Now it's mixed with every other fucking thing I put on my skin. So that's not a true... I don't know, guys. I don't get the yeast at all in there. I do think it's definitely could be worn by a man, for sure. But I do smell like a baked vibe, but I don't think it's like unbaked. I feel like it's freshly baked, maybe a little bit. And it's a little bit cinnamony, but it definitely has a cologne quality to it. But one I would still wear. I would definitely still wear this. I would wear it in cooler weather, not in hot weather. Yeah, that's really good though. That's really good. I like the presentation. I think for 21 bucks, go for it. And if you're a collector like I am, which I don't have room to be a collector, I won't have room to store this box either. I don't know who I'm kidding about it, but I wish I did. I wish I was like Belle and had like my books and my scents, not a ladder to go from side to side to get all my fragrances. A fragrance library. Yes, please. And then like a computer system like Cher had in Clueless for her clothes, but one I could match. How cool would that be? Well, I don't need that when I have Polly. I don't need that. But anyway, guys, thank you for being here. That is that. I do have an actual bubblegum scent coming from Amazon too. It's not here yet, but I thought I would tell you. I like all my... But it actually mixes well with the Dulzura because it's got, the bread and that bread accord anyway in that. So it actually matches. But it makes it more for cooler weather when you mix heavier scents like that. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. I mean, I feel like that could be a safe blind buy because it's not, to my nose, I feel like it's just a little bit of a take on a vanilla. Maybe more, I wouldn't say straight gourmand, but more of a Paris-y baked vibe. But I don't get a heavy whiff of the baked accord like that. I don't. I get more of the vanilla, like a little tiny bit of a spice on the vanilla is what I get. But I like that. I really like that. But I think it might be too heavy for a really hot day. I might wait till like early fall or like a cool night. Like a cool night on the beach, that actually might be good because it gets fucking cold out here on this coast anyway. But thank you again for being here. Thank you for your time. Please like and hype this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.